Welcome to the Executive Certification courses in VLSI, designed in collaboration with iHUB Divya Sampark, IIT Roorkee and Maven Silicon. Now, Mr. Sivakumar, the founder and CEO of Maven Silicon, will walk us through the course curriculum.
Executive Certification in Physical Design. Hi, I'm Sivakumar. Let me explain how this course can help you build your long-term career in the semiconductor industry. Now, if you already have a solid foundation in VLSI fundamentals, like digital electronics, but you are new to ASIC physical design, and you are curious about how we actually implement chips and complex SoCs as ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, then this course is for you. And even if you are already experienced in block or IP-level design or physical design or design for testing, this program will help you evolve into a physical design expert. Let me explain how I designed this course. This course will begin with explaining VLSI SoC design, SoC architecture, what is system on a chip, and the complete design flow, ASIC design flow, application-specific integrated circuit, how we design ASICs. Then we will explore digital logic design, Verilog HDL. You will also understand RISC-V processor. Then you will learn everything about CMOS, synthesis, logic equivalence checking, and design for testing. And once you understand the fundamentals, you will be introduced to physical design flow, floor planning, clock tree synthesis, place and route, and static timing analysis. And once you become familiar with the physical design flow, then you will be introduced to advanced concepts like signal integrity and crosstalk issues. We will also explore noise analysis, layout compaction, low power design using UPF, physical verification, layout versus schematic, and how we deal with sign-off. As part of this course, we will also work on Linux, and we will explore various things like Git, TCL, and Python scripting. As part of this course, you will do a project, SoC, physical design, and verification.
These programs are crafted to bridge the gap between academic learning and industry requirements, empowering graduates and working professionals to build future-ready careers in the semiconductor industry. Blending iHUB IIT Roorkee's academic excellence with Maven Silicon's industry expertise, the program provides a holistic learning experience that connects theory with real-world applications. With immersive live sessions, applied labs, campus immersion programs, and guidance from top industry leaders, participants come out not only with knowledge, but also with the practical expertise that employers value most. The selection process is simple and straightforward. You submit your online application, our team evaluates your profile and eligibility, and the shortlisted candidates are invited for a personal interview. Finally, you secure your seat by completing the enrollment formalities. Whether you're a student, a fresh graduate, or a working professional, this is your perfect chance to step up and make your career shine. Scan the QR code to enroll today.